Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Samsung phone that won't turn on by following these steps. So let's get started. Now, when it comes to turning on your phone, very first thing is you want to make sure that it is actually charging and it's not actually completely dead or there's no charge. The reason why that is because sometimes if you have a charger and you may think it's charging, it may not actually be charging. Maybe the charger block or the cable is defective. Basically, you want to try a different one if you have another one to try out. Also, most Android and Samsung phones nowadays have wireless charging, so you can try to do a wireless charging on a wireless pad just to rule out it's not the charging port. Also, you want to make sure that you clean out the charging port. If there's dust, lint, dirt, anything, sometimes the connection, when you plug it in, it will not actually charge. So try those first and make sure that you know that it is charged or is charging very first, and let it charge at least for half hour or so before trying the next step, which is going to be using the volume down in this power or the side button. What you want to do is just simply press and hold on to these two buttons at the same time like this, and keep on holding until you can get something on the screen. And once you do get something, that means the phone should be turning back on. I use the volume down in the side button. On some Samsung phone, you may need to use the volume up and the side button to turn it on, and you want to hold it for at least maybe 30 seconds, even up to a minute, until you can get something on the screen that will show up. And once you have basically done that, it should go ahead and turn on. Even if you see a battery icon, that means the phone is dead and needs to be charged if it doesn't turn on. So try to make sure the different methods, using a different charger, different cable, using wireless charger, just to get it to charge before trying the method. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.